this video, we would like to show you how to set up an assembly verification in AIDI. We start by creating our Assembly Verify project. In this project, we are going to use the Import Images option, as we are only going to include a selection of sample images. We open the respective folder and select the images we need. Images can be imported one at a time, or by using standard selection functions such as holding down the Shift or Control key. Now we add the Assembly Verify module. One click on the small add symbol next to the input and we can select the correct module by clicking on the plus symbol. The images can be used as is, so we proceed to the next step by clicking Apply. The correct assembly of syringes has to be checked. The seal must be fitted and the plunger must be in place. In Assembly Verify, the annotation tools are reduced. There are Point to Locate and Rapid Locate. We are going to start with the Point to Locate tool. When we use this tool for the first time, we will have to click on the canvas and a small green square will appear. The next click will create the annotation and we can label it. The annotation does not fit the seal yet. We can edit it directly in annotation mode, adjusting its size and position. The size of the previous annotation is used for the next annotation. This is useful if all object features are the same size. However, in this case we have to adjust for every other annotation. That is not very efficient. The Rapid Locate tool is very useful in situations like this. First, we click and drag to draw a line parallel to one edge of the feature. The cursor will always be in the center of the line and we can reposition it. We can draw the annotation rectangle with the next click and drag. We can, of course, change the size and position of the annotation as before. In addition, we can rotate the annotation if we need to. The remaining images will be annotated using this tool. Then, we have to teach the AI module what the assembly looks like. A template is used for that. The first step is to define where the seal needs to be. We simply set the area, select the object type seal, and define how many instances of the object need to be in the area. The next step is to go through the images and check that the area is properly positioned. Repeat this for the plunger, and adjust as necessary. Close the template editor using Match and an initial assembly verification is performed on the annotated images. As we can see, the algorithm has identified the two annotations in the respective areas and returns a layout template true. Before training the AI, we must assign images to the training set and check training parameters. Color space is correctly set to gray, and the default value for epochs can stay for now. The small icon next to each parameter gives a preview of the effect that the parameter will have. We activate the scale parameter and start training the model. During training, we can look at the training loss curve. This gives us an idea of the quality of the training. A flattened curve with few outliers indicates good training. As soon as the training is finished, we are presented with the validation results, and the label in the bottom left-hand corner shows the result of the template match. Now we can see that the label has changed from unvalidated to true. So the template match was successful. Let's take a closer look. At the top, a seal has been detected within the template search area. At the bottom, a plunger is detected in the template area. This contrasts with a false image, where the template failed to match. Here we have the plunger detected in the template area, but no seal in the associated area. A point worth emphasizing is that the confusion matrix works differently in this module. Although we have true results, as you can see, there are no OK entries. All of the images are in the NG column, which means that there is at least one annotation in each of the images. Images for which no annotation can be found will be displayed in the OK column. An empty image can be used to highlight this behavior. Once the image has been added, it is ready for validation and will be in the OK column, as neither the plunger nor the seal could be found. If we want to sort by true and false images, we can use a little trick. Add a detect module and use its import filter. Before adding the module, we need to decide whether to use the results of the feature locating or the template match results. Obviously, we use template here. In filter setting, we can select the template result true. Only images with complete assemblies will be added to the detection module. Of course, this approach can also be used with other models if more inspections are required. For example, segmentation. A filter for incomplete assemblies can also be set. We can also rename the modules for ease of identification. Right-click on the module and click Rename. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our website or contact us directly.